Hello and welcome to Code Please. In this channel, I will try to teach you a little bit about programming using the Elixir language. Programming or software development is the act of telling computers what to do. It can be used to create desktop applications like Microsoft Word or to create programs that handle internet traffic, the so-called web servers. In this video, I'll explain how to install Elixir and write the simplest program you can write in any language, the famous Hello World. Why Elixir? Because I felt there are tons of guides and courses in other languages, but Elixir is, in my opinion, a very undervalued, powerful language that deserves more recognition. It is built on top of the excellent Erlang virtual machine that was invented to solve most of the problems with telephony back in the 70s. Interestingly enough, those problems are also present in today's software development, making Erlang and Elixir fantastic choices, particularly for web programming. If you want to know more, I have some links down in the description. So let's get started. Okay, to install Elixir, let's first start by installing Erlang, just because it might save us a few headaches later because of the versions that the Elixir uses. Let's just go ahead and install OTP24 from the Erlang website. We want to install the 64-bit binary file, so we'll just download this and install. After downloading, we can double click to install and we can proceed with the installation. We're going to install Erlang to this folder. Let's just press next, let it run and install everything. Once that's done, we can click close and we can go to elixirlang.org and we can download the Windows version. We can download the installer and we can, once it's done, we can double click to install. And let's just pick the latest version of Elixir. It's going to ask me to uninstall my previous version because I had already installed it before, but it doesn't matter. It shouldn't to you. Let's just press next. And it's going to ask you to confirm the Erlang directory. It should be the one that we already installed. And next. It should set some path variables and we should be done. With Elixir installed, we can go ahead and open a console. I have one that I found really interesting and quite beautiful called Tabby. You can use another one. You can use Windows Terminal or whatever you want. So let's try to see if we have Elixir installed. We do Elixir minus version, actually minus version. And we do get that we have Elixir 1.12.2 installed, compiled with Erlang OTP22, and we are running Erlang OTP24. If we write IEX, which is short for Interactive Elixir, we are prompted with basically an interactive session where we can write some Elixir code and, experiment with the language or prototype things. So we can go ahead, for instance, with writing our simple Hello World program, and it outputs the string Hello World, and so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking and sharing with your friends. It really helps the channel to grow. Thank you.